All right, so between PopoLife and BoloUp, which one is better? Which one is better option for the female? Which one is better option for the male? Which one do you advise I focus my attention on? IJAPARI, like I get this question multiple times, and here is my answer. So hello, you're welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is IJAPARI GYANG, and on this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. And just this month I decided that I want to teach you as well YouTube growth tips. So we are talking about live streaming platform that you can use to live stream and make money on the internet and all that. I have a lot of videos. I'll just drop them in the description of this video, but this video today is about the comparison or the option, choosing the one to focus on, either PopoLive or BoloUp. So here is my take. When it comes to security, I would go for PopoLive. I will give it to PopoLive. Reason is because number one, I've been on that platform for the past 3 years now, and I have tested other platforms, and believe you me, a lot of us will run there and will always come back to PopoLive. So when it comes to safety and security, I prefer PopoLive because they have been there and they have proven time and time again, and they keep improving on that platform and the app. Okay. But when it comes to community building, I would prefer BoloUp. Reason is because like BoloUp have this kind of, there is this sense of community in that app that I can't really tell much. So when you want to build a community, I would prefer BoloUp. But when I want to talk about safety and security, I would prefer PopoLive. And again, when it comes to monetization, I will give BoloUp. Reason is because although for us here in Nigeria, that feature is not yet open, but I discovered that they are opening it to other countries, and very soon, I believe so, they'll open to Nigerians as well. Like on BoloUp, you have the option to create content and get monetized with your content on BoloUp. Like you can also live stream, so that live streaming and the monetization is not yet given to us here in Nigeria. So the person that asked this question, if you're asking in another continent that you have that access, kudos for you. So if you're looking at monetization, like monetizing your content or like your live stream and other things, you should put effort on BoloUp. It's going to pay off if they really put that monetization for us Nigerians. And if BoloUp are watching by chance, or anybody working at BoloUp, please, you guys should look at us Nigeria and give us that future of going live as well as monetizing our content. Okay, so and then when you come to gaming and the word the one we do and win big, because the platform doesn't like you mentioning us associating their name English cannot keep me, I beg, with that. So if you, that one that you throw coins on people and you can get more, like you can give 10 and get 100, yes, that one, I'll give it all to PopoLife. Yes, I've win multiple times, and if you want to learn my strategy, I've made video, I'll link it here. You can click to see how I do play and gift and earn more with PopoLife. So it's, in general, I would say it all depends on your individual preferences. If as a man you are looking into a platform that is focusing on more gaming and the other one that I mentioned, or a place that you can just relax, I will give it to PopoLife. But if you are looking at a social environment that you want to build a community, I will say you should go for BoloUp. But me, as a person, I'm going for the two, and I'm active for the two, and I'm taking both the two of them seriously, because I can see BoloUp really coming up too strong. They are coming strong. So I'm the kind of person that I love giving chances. I'm open for new opportunities, and no matter how busy I am, if a new opportunity come, I would try to make a room to at least know, because I don't like missing out on opportunities. So when it comes to earning, they are all of them, they have great potential, but the fact that PopoLife has been here since almost, PopoLife is my baby. I love Popo so much, and I love the fact that we get paid finally. Like we especially Africans, Nigerians, we are not discriminated. Like we get commission for our work without saying that withdrawal this that. I just love PopoLife, and I'm appreciative and grateful for BoloUp as well, as they are coming up. So I have make, and I am still making money on both platform, although I'm making very little on BoloUp, and I know it's because it's just starting. I just joined this year. I cannot compare my morning in BoloUp and my evening or afternoon in PopoLife, because something that I've created multiple content. I have thousands of followers. I have referred thousands of people. I have over 3,000 members under my agency, and I've referred a lot of agents, up to like 300 and above agents on PopoLife. I cannot compare the earning with BoloUp that is just coming up. So, and I hope that BoloUp will also protect we, the content creators. They will also like give us a platform, and also pay attention to us. Like I love the leadership of PopoLife so much. I love the leadership. I love the fact that PopoLife, whenever they want to do huge changes, they reach out to some of us that are doing well on the platform. I love the inclusive of we, the top agents, and all that. And I hope that BoloUp can also incorporate something like that if they would. So I love the both of them, honestly. I love the both of them. So I would advise you to go for the bots. Yes, try both of them and see which one will work for you. But both of them really works for me. So in the description of this video, I'm going to drop all the links to the food playlist of all the live streaming platform I talk about, and links to sign up as well. So if you have any question, feel free to ask. A lot of people are asking questions like this, and that is why I make this video. So if you have questions, feel free to ask, and until I come your way again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.